I'm not going anywhere. The captain cannot fly.
Reu Miguna Miguna na uria weriga gwitangatha ta mutongoria wa gikundi gikirire mukana kia nerem no ahuhie huthu thutha wa igoti rinene kwanira ni raia mukinyaniru wa bururi wa Kenya na gutire mundu wagirwo ni kuagarara ihoto ciake. Nato ciugo theritu kuona gikorwo itwa riri ni rigwathikirwo Miguna Miguna egukorwo akiamukira ciringi milioni 7 kuma kuri thirikari arita marihi mamenya mariko na maundu maritu maria atungirio riria acokagio bururi-ini wa Canada mweri wa 3 mwaka uyu. Kuringana na Mucirithania Chacha Mwita, Miguna ni raia wa bururi wa Kenya kuma guciarwo na undu uyu ndungicenjia na thengi yake gukorwo ari na passport ya bururi wa Canada.
I am satisfied that the petitioner, a citizen, was legally held and later deported from the country. His rights and fundamental freedoms were also violated. His petition is therefore merited and is allowed.
Gukiri ogwo Mucirithania uyu ni athite ruhonge rwa thami kumucokeria passport yake iria makanjire na hinya uta uria kwahoteka kuna ikinya riri riari mugaru na watho na kwa hinda riria akoretwo yiikara ta muhoi wa toro bururi-ini wa Canada undu ugicungiriria nyongere ya kigena kingi kia muigana wa shillingi 200.
The manner in which the respondents conducted themselves resulting into the purported cancellation of the petitioner's citizenship, revocation and confiscation of his passport or other travel identity document, and the declaration that he was a member of a prohibited class and a prohibited immigrant and his removal from Kenya were done in violation of the rule of law and in direct contravention of the provisions of the Constitution that guide each of the respondents and was therefore an abuse of office.
Ihinda-ini uriu Mucirithania uyu no ateanire itwa ria thirikari riria riagathikitwo ngatheti-ini ya mwanya tariki 30 mweri wa mwambiririo makiwa ikundi kia NRM na kiria Miguna etangathite ta mutongoria wa kio ni mugaru na watho. Miguna ahamurithirio rita ria kere bururi-ini wa Canada tariki 29 mweri wa 3 mwaka uyu thutha wa kuhingirwo kwa ihinda ria mathaa 72 kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta. Mweri wa 5 mwaka uyu Miguna neketi ihoya ria kwenda gwitikirio gucoka guku bururi-ini kugerera mawakiri yake nio Nelson Havi, Dr. Haminwa gatagati kangi ona gutuika ihoya riake ritiaiguirwo. Thutha wa itua ria umuthe ni gweterera kuona kana Miguna ni gwitikirio gucoka na njira ya thayo guku bururi-ini atari githagathago kiria kene yumiria riria riothe anageria gucoka guku bururi-ini.